Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into another video. So as you probably know by now, I am super behind on my filming. I unboxed my September box with you guys just, previously. This is actually my August box. This is the first one that we got. I haven't unboxed it yet. It's been sitting here. I have been looking forward to it. So I thought, let's do it. I know I'm late. I know everyone's already seen this, but I'd love to get your feedback. I want to know what you guys think, and I want to know, are these products worth it? I mean, my understanding is that this is a $15 beauty box, and you're getting a lot of samples. Okay, and they give us a little pamphlet over here that tells us what we're getting in this box. And yeah, okay, we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Okay. I actually think that's pretty good for 15 bucks. I don't know. The first item that we're getting is actually this really cool mesh bag, and this says golden hour over here. Guys, I like it. I do get Ipsy, so we do get these makeup bags in, but this one's a little larger, and I kind of like that. And now that the price of Ipsy's glam bag has gone up, and it's kind of like within this Macy's beauty box territory, like it'd be nice if they gave us a bigger glam bag. And look, this kind of like puffs out on the side, so it can definitely store quite a bit of stuff. But all right, let's go to the good stuff. First item. All right, we're gonna go in order. This is by Laura Geller. It's called Baked Original Highlighter. What color are you? French vanilla. Okay. Now, do we all get the same color, or do they vary the colors? Because like not all highlighter shades are gonna look great on everyone, Okay. This is the thing about packaging, like let's make packaging where people can kind of open the item up without having to destroy the whole thing. Like, I understand that we want to make it secure, but like, can we find a middle ground? Oh, this looks like a pretty matte highlighter. Let's see how it goes on. Oh, it's pretty. I actually could see myself kind of liking this. It's not super shimmery. So if you don't like super shimmery highlighters, which, most kind of are, this would work well for you. Like, is it coming up? I mean, it has a lot of color payoff. There's definitely quite a bit of pigment, but it's not going to be a super like in your face shimmer. I like this. This actually works with my skin tone, because I am super pale. When something works for me very well, it makes me kind of question whether it's going to work for many skin tones. I don't put these boxes together. I hope that that's considered. That retails for $24 for the full size, and this is a pretty nice sample size of 1.8 grams. All right, next item is by Glam Glow. This is the Glow Starter. Okay, this is a very small sample. It's 0.24 ounces, 7 mils. And this is the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Okay. And the full size of this would retail at $50. Now, I will be absolutely honest with you. Glam Glow products are not my favorite because they do put in quite a bit of fillers. I think the company has been trying to work on that and change that around. Like, I don't need glitter in my skincare products. I don't need anything that's going to irritate it or cause any acne flare-ups and breakouts. But like, my sister uses Glam Glow all the time and she swears by it and loves it. I'm inclined to believe that this is probably pretty good, and so I will give this a try. It looks like it's an illuminating moisturizer in nude glow. So let's open this up. Okay, yeah, it is an illuminating moisturizer. The theme here is definitely like, you have a highlighter that's kind of muted, but this moisturizer, this moisturizer is glowing. Do you see that? All right, next product is by Mario Badescu, and it's the cleansing oil. Now, I lived about 4 blocks away from the Mario Badescu spa in New York. They do facials there mainly, and they sell their products. And for a while, I was like a Mario Badescu like convert. Like I would Mario Badescu pretty much everything. And then they got caught and they got in trouble for some of the ingredients that they were using in their moisturizers, where like people's skin would get addicted to using a certain ingredient, and they weren't supposed to be putting it in their products. So they got into a bunch of trouble for that. And then ever since then, I've kind of like toned down my usage of Mario Badescu. But this is a cleansing oil. So you're just supposed to apply 1 to 2 drops, then basically use it to remove your makeup, and then you can kind of use another cleanser, a gentle cleanser on top of that. So this I don't mind. The other thing about Mario Badescu is that they do put fragrance in their products. They have evening primrose oil, but I don't see anything else just from a cursory, you know, look at the ingredients list. But keep that in mind. Now, I will try this out. I wear makeup. I love to double cleanse. So this is a great product for me to get. These products don't break the bank. So the full size of this would run you at $16. And the full size of this is probably pretty large because this sample is already 2 ounces. That's a very nice size sample to get. Next product is by Coola. Oh, okay. I like Coola products. I really do. And this is a sunless tan anti-aging facial serum. Okay. So is this going to tan me? Treat yourself to a blend of argan oil, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid that quenches dry skin, leaving a streak-free and transfer-free tan for up to 3 days. Okay, $54. And it lasts up to 3 days. Now, when things say that, that means it's going to last like a day, maybe 2. This is 7 mils of product. So this is mainly going to be, you know, for the face and the neck. That's still sufficient. You know, you can kind of try it out. It is a bit of a bummer when you don't get a bigger sample size of like a tanning product because you want to use it all over your body. Now, I think it's cool. I like this. This works for me. You know, getting a self-tan product may not work for everyone though. So, you know, it's kind of interesting that Macy's put that in there. All right, next product in here is by Caudalie. Okay, I have to say the packaging is super cute. Look at this. It's like a tiny little dropper. It's the Vino Perfect Serum. Now, I think Sephora had this in one of their Hello boxes, and those are typically around $10. I was looking at potentially getting this, and then I ultimately decided against it. I used to use Caudalie products. You know, they were kind of like the name brand on the market then, and I stopped using them because I stopped using so many fragrance products, and I really started to learn a lot more about ingredients. Now, Caudalie has made a huge effort in reformulating some of their products to make sure that they capture those really good ingredients and they educate consumers a lot. I'm looking on the ingredients list right now to see if there's any fragrance, and there is, but it's way low on the ingredients list. It's the last item on here. Nonetheless, I am not allergic to fragrance. I am curious to see, you know, the reformulations that Caudalie has done. The other ingredients seem okay in here. It has squalane, grapevine shoot extract. This retails for $79. Okay, next item is actually a perfume, and I do like the way it's packaged. It's the Coach Dreams Sunset Perfume. Now, this is one thing that I do really appreciate about the Macy's Beauty Box. If I compare this to Ipsy, now with Ipsy, you're getting the glam bag and you're getting 5 samples. Here, you're getting a bag, or this time around, you're getting a bag, and then you got, you know, these 5 samples, plus you're getting 2 sample perfumes, and it's $15. Like, guys, I think that this is actually kind of worth it. Now, do I think Ipsy's worth it? Yeah, I think that the product discovery in Ipsy is, you know, fabulous. But this is also really cool because you're getting these 2 additional samples of, you know, perfumes that you might like. So if you like fragrance, this is kind of a great box to get. So Coach Sunset Dreams, let's see what you are like. I smell a little baby powder in here. Ooh, that's tickling my nose. Okay, it says sensual notes of jasmine, sambac, and creamy tonka bean. Okay. I smell a little baby powder. It says, yeah, combines fresh pear sorbet. So maybe that's it. Oh my Lord. This perfume, it retails for $102. I can smell the jasmine, like after the scent has kind of settled. So if you are someone that likes and appreciates like a baby powder, fresh scent with jasmine, you're gonna love this. This is gonna work really nicely for you. I'm not gonna lie, when I first spritzed it, I was kind of like, but now that it's kind of settled in, I am really enjoying that. That is quite nice. Oh, we have another Coach cologne. It's a men's blue eau de toilette spray. Okay. So it's supposed to embody the freedom and optimism of a road trip. About to begin. All right. It's aromatic, invigorating, combines lime and absinthe. Oh my Lord. And cedarwood. Okay. Guys, I really like that. Oh my God, this is actually really good. You know, I was a little confused why they would put in a men's cologne into a women's beauty box, but I see what you did here, Macy's. You're like, hey, listen, it's women that are probably gonna buy men a cologne as a gift, so let's give them this and see if they like it enough to get it for their significant other. This cologne is $87 versus the $102 for the women's perfume. I like this. This actually smells quite nice. I definitely smell the cedarwood and something else, or something stronger, like, was that sandalwood or something? I like it. I do think that this is a nice cologne, but guys, you let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is worth the $15? So I think that this is pretty cool. I think it's worth the $15, but I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you think? Were you like, yeah, this was a great box? Were you like, that stunk and you're wasting your money? It's your opinion that matters here on this channel, so please let me know what you guys think. And as always, guys, I do these videos because I'm trying to get better at public speaking. I come out sometimes and I'm like on a roll, you know, it's like fire. I'm like, da 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 da. And other times I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna be editing forever. And I never know how I'm gonna come across, but I do want to thank you because the community has been so good to me. Every like, every comment, every subscription, it matters, and it is really helpful, and it is incredibly encouraging. And I want to make sure you know that, you know how grateful I am for you and your time. So guys, thank you once again. I hope you're having a great day or one fabulously restful night. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.